Welcome. Today, we're diving into a detailed comparison between two powerful productivity tools, Airtable and Qatalog. Both of these platforms offer unique features designed to streamline workflows and boost productivity. However, their differences may make one a better fit for you or your organization over the other. Let's get started. Airtable is a spreadsheet database hybrid featuring the power of a database with the flexibility of a spreadsheet. It offers rich field types including checkboxes, drop-downs, and file attachments. Catalog, on the other hand, is a work management platform that allows you to connect your tools, data, and teams in one place. It offers project management, goal setting, and team alignment features. In terms of pricing, Airtable offers a free plan plus several paid options starting at $10 per user per month. Catalog, on the other hand, doesn't have a free plan but offers a 2-week free trial. Their paid plans start at $8 per user per month. Depending on your budget and needs, one may be more cost effective than the other. Airtable's user interface is intuitive, with a design similar to familiar spreadsheet programs. This makes it easy for new users to adapt. Catalog also boasts a clean and intuitive interface. However, it has a steeper learning curve due to its more complex features. Both platforms have user-friendly mobile apps. Integration with other tools is crucial for many businesses. Airtable supports integrations with apps like Slack, Google Drive, and Dropbox. Catalog goes a step further, offering integrations with over 60 tools including Asana, Trello, Google Workspace, and Microsoft Teams. It acts as a central hub connecting all your work tools. Both Airtable and Catalog perform well in terms of speed and reliability. Airtable handles large amounts of data without lag, and Catalog maintains fast load times even with multiple integrations. However, some users report that Airtable slows down as the complexity of the base increases. Both platforms prioritize security. Airtable uses SSL/TLS encryption for data in transit and at rest, and offers two-factor authentication. Catalog also uses industry-standard encryption and complies with GDPR and CCPA regulations. They also offer SSO and user access controls for enhanced security. Airtable provides extensive documentation, community forums, and email support. Catalog offers 24/7 support via chat and email, and a robust knowledge base. When it comes to scalability, both platforms scale well, but Catalog's extensive integrations may make it more suitable for larger, more complex organizations. While both platforms are powerful, the winner in this comparison is Catalog. It stands out with its extensive integrations, superior support, and greater scalability. Its ability to act as a central hub connecting all your work tools offers unique value. However, for simpler needs or tighter budgets, Airtable's free plan and spreadsheet-like interface may be more appealing. Thanks for joining us in this detailed comparison of Airtable and Catalog. We hope this information has been helpful in guiding you to the tool that best fits your needs. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more comparisons like this. Until next time.